Hi, I'm Kelly Kay back at iCarpetTiles.com. Stephanie is with me. Stephanie, remind us what carpet tiles are.
Carpet tiles are the perfect do-it-yourself flooring solution for the homeowners. All kinds of exciting patterns that you can use, that you can create. You can do a basket weave, borders. They come in 18-inch by 18-inch or 2-foot by 2-foot.
You have a lot of different patterns, styles, colors to choose from.
We do. We have over 1,500 styles and patterns that you could choose from.
And you can actually use these in a lot of different rooms in your house and also make rugs from a whole bunch of different patterns if you want to.
That's right. You can create area rugs. You can also go wall to wall in your room.
And the best part is you have samples you can actually take home, try them out in your room and see if they work for you.
Right. We encourage you to take samples home, see what works best in your lighting.
All right, now what kind of tools do I need to actually install carpet tiles?
You need double stick tape, a sharp utility knife, tape measure, and a straight edge.
I've got all that already. And now one of the biggest questions that they ask you here is how you actually install the carpet tiles, but that's easy.
Yes, it is.
And on the website, iCarpetTiles.com, you can actually download the instructions and have them right in front of you.
We have complete installation instructions and a demonstration online. We recommend double stick tape for installation. Go around the perimeter of the room, start in your middle with some tape, and then work your way out. And then that way your cut pieces are along your walls.
It was really easy to do. We basically just measured it and put them down.
They're easy to put down in any space, any room.
Definitely a good solution for the floor because it can be cleaned up really easy and tiles switched out.
Easy to install and affordable.
Absolutely. They range in price from $99 to $1.99 a square foot.
I would definitely recommend them to a friend. It really transforms rooms.
I would recommend it to anyone who wants carpet put in their home in a quick and affordable way.
Check it out. It's iCarpetTiles.com. She's Stephanie. I'm Kelly. Thanks for watching.